Hello everyone, I am Sachin R. Patel, research scholar at PD Patel Institute of Applied Sciences, Charotar University of Science and Technology, Charusite, Changa. I am doing research under the guidance of the Professor R.V. Upadhyay. When it comes to scientific research, the systematic way of gathering data and analyze the same is a key factor. So over here at Charusite, we are equipped with such facility, Dr. S.M. Patel Characterization Laboratory equipped with such instruments, in which the one is X-ray diffractometer, the XRD. The XRD is the technique to determine the crystallographic structure of a material. The Bruker's D2 phaser is portable desktop X-ray powder diffractometer from the Germany for the same. It opens the door to modern XRD, which means qualitative and quantitative phase analysis, polymorphism investigation, the determination of crystallinity, all the way through structure investigation, and all of it's fast, easy and high efficiency. It is not just the analytical performance that makes the D2 phaser so revolutionary, but also its flexibility in handling very diverse samples. Different material properties require different sample preparations. Therefore, besides a series of standard sample holders made from steel, the D2 phaser also offers holders for the small sample amounts, low absorbing and weakly diffracting samples, for the filters, for environment sensitive samples, and for examining material that tend to show a preferred orientation. What makes the D2 phaser absolutely unique is the integration of the world's leading one-dimensional detector for X-ray powder diffraction, the Linacs-I, with a performance enhancement in the terms of intensity by a factor of more than 150. The D2 phaser is actually playing in the top class. Additionally, the Linacs-I allows suppression of sample fluorescence, providing an excellent peak to background ratio even for strongly fluorescent samples, which eliminates any need for secondary monochromators. X-ray powder diffraction is most widely used to identify the unknown crystalline structure. The students who learn this technique can apply their knowledge to the field of geology, material science, environmental science, biology and engineering. The central facility can be accessed by the PG students, researchers of the Charusite and outsiders too. For the more information, you can log on to www.charusite.ac.in. Thank you.